Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amar Biradar from section Aryabhatta. My topic is given as deterministic finite automata. Finite automata, the foundations of computation. Automata theory, a foundational field in computer science, provides the framework for understanding the efficiency of algorithms on computational models. Deterministic finite automata are a crucial component of this theory, with applications ranging from compiler design and pattern matching to speech and text processing. However, designing DFS can be a complex and challenging task, often posing difficulties for novice learners in theoretical computer science. The basics of formal language and automata. Languages, both natural and formal, are the means of communication. Formal languages, such as the binary language used in computers, can be described as sets of specific strings over a given alphabet. According to the Chomsky hierarchy, formal languages are further divided into categories, with regular languages playing a crucial role in the lexical analysis phase of compiler design. Regular languages can be represented using finite automata, which can be either deterministic or non-deterministic. Deterministic finite automata are particularly important as they allow for exactly one transition for each state and input symbol, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Defining deterministic finite automata. States. A DFA is defined as a 5-tuple set, where Q represents the final set of states. Alphabet. The finite set of input symbols is denoted as this symbol, such as the binary alphabet 0 and 1. It says it shows the inputs within the DFA. Transitions. The transition function maps the current state and input symbol to the next state. And there are other two in defining there are other two called as the starting state and final state. The starting state will be given in the question, and the final state will be found by us. DFA with prefix strings. Prefix strings. A DFA with a given prefix is designed to recognize strings that start with a specific sequence of symbols known as the prefix. Transition table. The transition table for a DFA with a prefix AB shows the state transitions based on the input symbols A and B. Acceptance states. The DFA accepts a string if after processing the input the automaton ends up in an acceptance stage. Designing DFS for prefix strings. Algorithm approach. The proposed algorithm provides a systematic method for designing a DFA that recognizes strings with a given prefix. Transition table generation. The algorithm guides the construction of the transition table, which can then be used to generate the corresponding state transition diagram. Applicability. The algorithm can be applied to DFS with any number of characters in the prefix and any number of states. Example, designing a DFA for the prefix ABA. Step-by-step approach. The algorithm is demonstrated through an example case study where a DFA is designed to recognize strings with the prefix ABA. Transition table construction. The step-by-step process of filling the transition table is explained, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the design process. Visualization. The final transition table is used to construct the corresponding state transition diagram, providing a visual representation of the DFA. Applications and future directions. Compiler design. DFS play a crucial role in the lexical analysis phase of compiler design, enabling Recognition of tokens. Text processing. DFS find applications in text processing tasks such as pattern matching and string recognition. Speech processing. DFS are utilized in speech processing algorithm contributing to advancements in natural language processing. Conclusion. Deterministic finite automata are a fundamental concept in theoretical computer science. With a wide range of applications in various domains, the proposed algorithm provides a systematic approach for designing DFS that recognize strings with a given prefix, addressing the challenges faced by novice learners in this field. By understanding the construction of DFS and its practical applications, students and researchers can better grasp the foundations of computation and explore the vast potential of automata theory in solving real world problems. At the last, in an example, if we can't take something to self or we can't pass it to another state, then we can reject it. Thank you.